Hey guys, it's Karen. So I thought that this week I might do a vlog. So yeah, this is the start of my vlog. I just woke up, it's Monday morning, and my dog and I are about to go on a walk. I don't know where she is. She has actually had some seizures recently, and so her endurance is not quite so good. So we're gonna see how long we can make it. This is my dog. So just starting on my walk with my awesome headphones. Everyone else has like earbuds or the AirBuds, whatever. I have these, they work just fine. I'm not gonna get new ones. I am listening to The Cuckoo's Calling by J.K. Rowling, but whatever other name she used, Robert somebody. And I think I have about 5 hours left, so I'm hoping to finish this week. Lucy. So lately I've been having tea in the mornings before I have breakfast, and look at my new tea infuser. All right guys, I'm making oatmeal today. This library, Hackley Public Library, is absolutely amazing. I should do a video on it later because it's a pretty historic building. It was made in like the 1800s. I'm not sure exactly when. I'll have to look at the sign up here. And it has even been like featured on the History Channel before, which is really cool. So I'm gonna be a total weirdo and stand on the sidewalk with the books that I got. So I got The Killer Angels, which the library director actually recommended. He said this book was one of like the top books that has stuck with him the longest. I got They Can't Kill Us All, Black Boy, The Hate U Give, and Becoming. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday. So it's a little bit later for our walk. I'm going on a walk with my dog right now. It is around 9:30. It's like freezing in Michigan, which is why I have a sweatshirt on, and it's been kind of rainy. So this morning I actually got a lot done already. I just like woke up, stayed in my PJs, and I worked on grad school for a while. So I'm taking 2 classes, curriculum and personnel. And curriculum has 2 projects that are due at the end, and that's like essentially our entire grade. So I just worked on one of the projects today, and then I kind of like got a schedule going for how much I'm going to do each day so that I'll be finished pretty soon. On Tuesdays, I have a meditation class that I take with one of my yoga teachers, but we do it online since COVID started. So that's been really nice to have during COVID. We've been doing yoga nidra lately. So it's like a sleep yoga. Oh, it's amazing. Today's oatmeal is brought to you by Triple Berry Blend. Okay, most of you are gonna be super appetized by my lunch, but I have kale chips and a Korean veggie burger. It's gonna be amazing. All right, people, so it's like 5 o'clock and I already have my PJs on. This is what happens when I try and read. She's hungry or something. One time recently, she sat on my book too and like stomped her feet. So I've been reading for a little bit, but mostly being really distracted. I decided that I am going to watch this movie, Grizzly Man, which my friend Kelly recommended in one of her like really old videos. Morning everyone, happy Wednesday. I have already eaten breakfast and gotten ready. I'm going to film a video. Aldi's Books made this like summer school readathon that I'm going to participate in, so I just want to do a TBR video. Then I will probably quickly edit it, take my dog on a short walk, but not as long as usual because I'm going to be heading to Grand Rapids, which is about 45 minutes away from where I live. And earlier this year, I would say actually in January, I started a professional book club. And so it's just a time for me to meet with other educators from different schools. We have, I think I'm the only teacher. We have a psychologist, 2 social workers, and 2 special ed supervisors that participate with us. And so we're just going to discuss our book in person for the first time in a while. And then after that, I'm gonna go grocery shopping real quick in Grand Rapids because they have the best grocery stores. And at some point, I need to do my grad school work for today. And then later tonight is the film club that Jason and Lukash started. So I'm excited for that too. It is about 4 o'clock. I'm gonna make this kale bruschetta, which is from this cookbook, which I do not have any heart problems, but I really like trying to follow this lifestyle that they recommend, just because I think it's good for anybody. But it doesn't always work for a reason. I'll show you in a second. And then I'm gonna have Brussels sprouts on the side. I'm gonna roast them with maple syrup actually, which just sounds weird, but it's so good. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, this is why I think about balance and all that. Then I'm gonna have cheesecake. So should be mostly healthy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I think my dinner is pretty epic. Yum. Hey guys, it is Tuesday morning walk time, and today is going to be kind of busy, but not really in that fun of a way. I'm just trying to get tons of work done today so that I can relax. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and just have fun. Hey you guys, I'm about to do something really crazy. I am taking a break from grad school and I'm gonna have breakfast right now. So I got these fresh milled oats yesterday, and I was going to make them for breakfast with these amazing Michigan strawberries that I have. But I decided to do something really weird, and I'm gonna make some savory oats with green onions, some broccoli microgreens, some leftover Brussels sprouts. I don't know, I'll see what other veggies I have. And we will see how this goes. It could be super nasty. Officially my weirdest breakfast. These are like fresh milled oats with zucchini and Brussels sprouts, and I'm trying to think, I put cilantro in there and cooked that. And then I added in some kale, and what else did I have? Some microgreens. I think they're broccoli microgreens, green onions, and some, what is it? Street taco sauce, garlic sriracha street taco sauce with a side of tomatoes and strawberries. This might sound weird, but this is so freaking good. Okay, so I'm taking a break from work to go hiking, and do you see the top of that sand dune? We are about to hike to that. I love walking around this corner because this is your first glimpse of Lake Michigan. There's Lake Michigan. We're gonna go into the woods over there. This is where we have to go up to get to the top of the dune. So you can see the parking lot we parked in. And way over there is Lake Michigan. Are you tired? That's where we came from, way up there. Guys, I'm all cozy in my pajamas, and I made vegan chocolate chip muffins. Hey guys, it's Friday! Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are the days that I take time off, and I take a 3-day weekend for myself. And so normally on Fridays I've been going to the beach and getting a lot of reading done and just chilling, and I get there early so it's not crowded and there's not too many people and stuff. But today I decided that I'm going to go to a park and just go for a walk. I think this is so cute. There's a story walk. So you read this book in the tall, tall grass as you go on your walk. How cute. Crunch, munch, caterpillar's lunch. This is like the cutest thing ever. It keeps going the whole path around this meadow. So each of these signs has like part of the story on it. So you read the whole book as you go on the walk, but then they each have a challenge too. So can you hop like a toad? How far is your biggest leap? Can you stick out your tongue? How cute is this? You're so cute. Thank you. I'm gonna hang out and read for a little bit. I actually own a signed copy of this book, but I got it from the library for my Kindle just because I could go to the beach and not worry about getting it all sandy and wet and stuff since it's a signed copy. So I could have easily spent more time here. I think I'll come back a different day. But I have a hair appointment that I have to get to. But at the end, I just sat and read for a little bit, and there was this other like high school kid that came and sat on a bench like not too far away from me, and he was reading too. Yes! There are still readers in the world.
Hey BookTube, it's Kelly. Thank you so much for watching Books I'm Not Reading.
So this is the dog beach that we often walk to, and it's apparently closed because of erosion, but apparently people are still going with their dogs. You can see some dogs down in the water, but we're just gonna hang out and read. We're not gonna go in the water right now. You're so funny. Oh, thank you.